Yo, what's up guys? Matt here with Madmatt Fishing. I'm gonna mess around with the tripod today on the GoPro. We're gonna see how it works out for, full body shots and just little overviews and stuff. So we're gonna throw around the Frog. Had crazy thunderstorms out towards Chicago and out my way a little bit. I'm about 2 hours from Chicago, but we had a crazy windstorm and some hail and stuff. So we're gonna see if that affected fishing any. And it actually, if you guys can see right here, it actually cleaned up this water quite a bit, honestly. It looks pretty clear. I know you guys probably seen before, it used to be pretty muddy and stuff over here. So we're just gonna get set up and let's get the Frog and start off throwing the Jackal Gavici frog right here, a little popping frog. Bright blue skies out today too, not a cloud in the sky. There's some nice pockets of shade over here, so I'm trying to see if I can get a blow up. Looks dang good. Here, see if there's anything interesting or if it looks like crap. Ooh, it looks pretty shady. Kind of digging this tripod. Get a nice, a little bit taller view, a little bit better view for you guys. Drop down in the comments if you want to see more tripod footage. See some bait fish running right here, being chased around. I think it's time just to back up and set up right here. See what happens. Some bait fish. Hit this shade right here against these tree lines. See if anything happens. We're just gonna keep on moving and fishing. Moving and fishing, moving and fishing. Oh, it looks so good right there. Right between a bow lift here and there's some muck on the other side. I can't believe there's nothing there. That's how good it looks. One of those spots that just looks too juicy. Show you guys see the damage on these docks, what that storm did the other day, just last night. Destroying docks. I mean, look at this one here. That sucks, man. So much damage is gonna be done, and that's including like boats and stuff coming untied, and it's just not good. A lot of stuff is all tore up, man. One reason I like to take my boat home a lot, I don't like to store it at like places like this. I just feel more comfortable at coming home in my garage, you know. Little smallmouth, dude, on that jackal frog, man, and he just gulped it down. There we go, guys. Fish number one. Big fat smallmouth, man. Big belly on her. Go ahead and get her back in the water. Solid fish right there, man. Solid. This long bank right here, open water just down that stretch. See right here is even more damage, really significant damage here. You see this dock is torn in half here. Boat's still tied down on one piece of it at least. But yeah, that's unfortunate right there, man. That sucks. So much damage being done. We had wind and hail both pretty bad. You guys didn't see that? That's the damage the storm did. If you guys can see even here, snapped the dock off in half. It's all destroyed. Basically, you need new beams and everything. I mean, you see, got extra wood planks here laying down. There's buoys everywhere. I'm not sure how these metal ones are. I haven't made it over there yet, but there's so many docks. I think I showed you this one already that fell over. Just absolutely destroyed, man. And just think, this is only one little section. I can imagine if I was on the boat fishing, how many docks I'd see that are at people's houses that just got absolutely destroyed. And then you see other ones that you wouldn't even know there was a storm. So it's just tough. All right, guys, gonna make one more move down here, fish this little rock wall right here. It's a long stretch, and then I think we'll switch it up. I might want to try out the new, or not new, but I haven't used them yet, the Guggen finesse jig. I forget what it's called, Juicy or something like that. I might give that a go and fish the bottom a little bit here. It's kind of mucky and dirty, so maybe we can find them on the bottom, but I just want to try this this long bank here one more time. Well, I guess not one more time. I haven't fished it yet. I haven't fished this part yet. All right, guys, bust. That was a bust. So I think that I'm going to call it for that on the frog, and I think we're going to switch up to the jig and do a little bit of bottom bouncing, and maybe if nothing happens on the jig, switch over to that shaky head. The water did get pretty mucky from the storm, so I'm hoping the jig can produce a few bites here. Alright guys, there's our jig of choice right there. If you guys can see it, 3/8 ounce, little juicy finesse jig, and rotten pumpkin is the color right there. So we're gonna tie that guy up with a little Power Team Lures trailer, and let's get to fishing. Had one, guys. We're gonna get them, boys. We're gonna get them. We're not gonna get them. That's what we're talking about right there. Juicy jig. Look how it ate that guy right there. Gosh. Been flipping these docks for a minute. Finally hook up with one, man. not a bad fish. He's a little bit skinny, but good looking fish though. Get her back. Again guys, in a really tight spot right there, you know, right up in that little crevice right there, man. And what's crazy is my line got caught. You guys can see right there, that little crack right here, right where my jig is. Part of my line got stuck right in there too. That was sketch. I've been checking my line here to see if that got frayed up, but I don't feel any frays anywhere. I'm really surprised. Alright guys, we are going to make our way back, flip a couple more of these guys, and I think that's going to end today's video. Really tough. I figured with this storm it's hit and miss. I figured it might be kind of tough, so. Had that fish on and I went to pull him up and he came off as I was trying to put him through a crack. I don't know how big he was. Got another one right here. Go and hit that. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video, man. It was a struggle, man. That storm really affected it pretty badly, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of this the tripod mount here, if it's a good or bad addition to the channel here. Give you guys a little bit different, just a little bit different views. So let me know what you guys think about the tripod. If you guys want to see more of it, drop it down below. Sorry if this video wasn't as exciting as some of my other ones. Just a really hard day out there today, and I bet you it probably will be for the next couple days to recover after that storm. So thank you guys for watching. This is Madmatt, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.